Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today let's make something soft, flaky and truly comforting, Dahi Paratha. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon ghee, 2 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. You can use whole wheat flour for extra fiber. The sugar helps in browning, giving a nice golden finish. Now add half cup beaten curd and combine. Use thick fresh curd for best result. Yogurt replaces water, making it extra soft and tangy. Gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons water and knead into a soft dough. Curd is packed with probiotics that support gut health. Rub a little ghee on top and let it rest for 10 minutes. Resting the dough is key to soft flaky layers. Take a portion of dough, roll it out slightly. This paratha uses no stuffing or heavy oil, making it lighter. This layered delight is made without any stuffing and it's perfect for any time of the day. Ghee in moderation supports digestion and energy. Fold the dough as shown. Use ghee for rolling and frying for rich taste and aroma. Then roll again into a layered paratha. Heat a pan on medium flame. Place the paratha and fry with a little oil until golden and crisp on both sides. Always cook on medium heat for even texture. Dahi paratha is no stuffing recipe, yet loaded with flavor. This is a perfect lunchbox idea for both kids and adults. Your Dahi Paratha is now ready to serve. Flaky, buttery and soft. Wasn't that simple and satisfying? Would you like to try this with raita, pickle or a cup of chai? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more homemade delights. See you next time with another tasty recipe. Take care and happy cooking.